How to withdraw cash using an EBT card at an ATM.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a handy financial topic: how to withdraw cash using an EBT card at an ATM. If you're a recipient of an electronic benefits transfer, or EBT, card, it's important to understand how you can access your funds directly.
What is an EBT card?
Before we dive into the process, it's essential to understand what an EBT card is. An EBT card is a state-issued card that gives you access to benefits like the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, or cash benefits from other social services programs. It functions much like a debit card, allowing you to access your benefits electronically.
Can I withdraw cash with my EBT card?
The next important question is, can you withdraw cash with your EBT card? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. If your benefits include a cash program like Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, TANF, you can withdraw cash using your EBT card. However, SNAP benefits, for instance, cannot be accessed in cash. They can only be used directly for purchasing eligible food items.
How to withdraw cash at an ATM with your EBT card.
Now, let's talk about how to withdraw cash with your EBT card. It's a relatively straightforward process. 1. Locate an EBT-compatible ATM. Not all ATMs accept EBT cards, so make sure the one you're planning to use does. Many ATMs will have a logo on the machine indicating they accept EBT cards. 2. Insert your EBT card into the ATM. Much like any debit card, you will need to insert your card into the machine to start the transaction process. 3. Enter your personal identification number, PIN. After you've inserted your card, the ATM will prompt you to enter your PIN. This is a 4-digit number that you chose when you received your card. Make sure to keep this number confidential. 4. Select the Withdrawal option. Once you've entered your PIN, you will be given several options on the ATM screen. Choose Withdrawal. 5. Choose Checking. When asked from which account you'd like to withdraw, select Checking. Even if your EBT card does not have a traditional checking account, this is the option that should be used. 6. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be aware of your available balance and make sure you don't attempt to withdraw more than you have. Also, remember to consider ATM fees if they apply. 7. Collect your cash and receipt. Don't forget to take your cash, card, and receipt before leaving the ATM. Remember, some ATMs may charge a fee for withdrawals, and not all locations that accept EBT for purchases, like grocery stores, will have ATMs that allow for cash withdrawals. Check the rules in your state and for your specific benefits program to avoid any surprises. And that's it. You should now have a good understanding of how to withdraw cash using your EBT card at an ATM. As always, if you have any difficulties or further questions, don't hesitate to contact your local social services agency for more help. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful for you.